Namaste, this is S.K. Bhatinram from the Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today, we discussing about a general reaction involvement in amino acid metabolism. Reaction of amino acid metabolism is categorized in 1, 2, 3, 4 categories: deamination, desulfurization, transamination, transmethylation. Okay, now at first we discussion about deamination. In deamination, it is the deamination defined as deamination is the process by the in which an atom of amino acid is removed at free NH type. It is the two type: oxidative deamination, non-oxidative deamination. In oxidative deamination, it resides liver and kidney. Coenzyme pyroxyl phosphate and enzyme D-amino acid oxidase and L-amino acid oxidase. Even though amino acids are normally not present in the human body, there is concentration in the higher in L-amino acid oxidase in the body. L-amino acid oxidase are the flavoprotein. They are deoxidized at a substrate level directly by the molecular oxygen formation H2O2. Oxygen deamination. A amino acid is the first degenerated by the flavoprotein, and the L amino acid oxidizes the form of L amino acid. Second step, water soluble in added to which decomposition from keto acid and N is lost as a NH3. Amino acid to the alpha amino acid is converted by the presence of L amino acid oxidase, and alpha amino acid is converted to the alpha keto acid. Now, non-oxidative amino acid. There are certain amino acids which can be non-oxidative deamination by the specific enzyme. A amino acid dehydrates serine to alpha amino acid is L-amino dehydrates. So alpha amino acid is converted to the pyruvic acid. The amino acid of alpha glutamic deamino acid by the amino acid by desulfurization. Okay, the sulfur containing amino acid like cysteine and the homocysteine are deaminated by the primary sulfonylurea acid formed by amino acid. It is the separately hydrolyzed by alpha keto and NH3 is made free. Cysteine are converted into alpha amino acid and alpha acid converted to the pyruvic acid. The amino acid of glutamic acid in this glutamic acid is not a deamino acid by the L-amino acid oxidase, but it's required alpha glutamate dehydrogenase. Reaction alpha glutamate dehydrogenase act as a glutamic acid is the form of alpha amino glutaric acid, which on the addition of a molecule H2O to form of NH3 and alpha ketoglutarate. Also called trans deamination, the reaction of reverse is glutamate to the alpha amino glutarate and is converted to alpha ketoglutarate. Transamination. Transamination is a reversible reaction. Alpha NH2 group of amino acid is transferred to the alpha keto acid, resulting in the formation of the new amino acid, a new keto acid. This is the end reaction of denoted the amino acid become a new keto acid. This is the reciprocal of the keto acid become a new amino acid. Trans amination is a transamination is a reversible reaction. It is only intermolecular transfer of the NH3 group. In the reaction, free amine is not released during the reaction. The required pyridoxyl phosphate as a coenzyme. Silent feature of transamination. This is a set of transamination principle in all cells. Major tissue, liver, kidney, heart, and brain. Enzyme is called transaminase or aminotransferase. Coenzyme pyridoxyl phosphate. Amino acid and the keto acid. End product is keto acid and non-essential amino acid. Silent feature of transamination, substance, substrate, amino acid. Almost all amino acid are undergo transfer of the amino acid to the small and large extent. This is the called lysine, thymine, proline, and the hydroxy proline do not take place in transamino acid. Silent feature of transamino acid is keto acidosis are the only three keto acid. Keto, glutarate, and pyruvate oxaloacetate, which is act in the receipt of the molecular transamino acid reaction. All three are compound is the TCl cycle. Reversible reaction. Ketone can be derivative from the amino acid. Amino acid can be obtained from the keto acid. Mechanism of enzyme of reaction. Required pyridoxyl phosphate is coenzyme. Reaction occur in two stages. Amino group are formed by amino acid accepted by the pyridoxyl phosphate to form a pyridoxamine, and amino acid is converted to the keto acid. In second stage, amino acid is accepted by the ketone acid to form a pyridoxyl and get converted to the amino acid. There are pyridoxyl phosphate is regenerated. Mechanism of enzyme of action. Mechanism of enzyme of reaction amino acid to the keto acid and pyridoxyl to phosphate. It is converted to the pyridoxyl phosphate, amino acid to the keto acid. Example for transamination. Alanine to pyruvate is converted of present of pyridoxyl phosphate, and the ketone to glutamate acid to glutamate or glutamate to the alpha ketoglutamate is a reverse reaction. It's present of pyridoxyl phosphate. Aspartate to oxaloacetic acid is the present of serum glutamate oxalo transaminase, and the glutamate to keto glutamate and glutamate to glutamate is converted to present of pyridoxyl phosphate. Now, alpha ketoglutamate act as a common acceptor of amino acid in transamination reaction. In conversion, alpha ketoglutarate is converted to glutarate with the presence of pyridoxyl phosphate. Alpha amino group are various amino acid. Clinical significance. Two transamination having clinical significance. Serum glutamate pyruvate transamination is the also name of transaminase LALT. It is a normal level of 5 to 35 unit per liter. It is the activity increased in liver disease. Serum glutamate oxaloacetic transaminase. It is the also known aspartate transaminase AST. Normal level is 5 to 40 unit per liter. It increases the activity of serum seen in heart disease. Function of transamination. In the conversion of amino acid to ketone acid, it is the keto acid to amino acid. It is the probability non-essential amino acid in the body. Utilizing the alpha keto acid when it is expressed. Prevent the toxicity of amination as it not at all. Release free duration the reaction. Transmethylation is the important biological transfer of methyl group in the amino acid. This is a process similar transamination. Is different transfer in the methyl group to instantly amino group. Definition of transamination is transamination methyl group is a form of active methionine to the acceptor of the molecule known as transmethylation. Methionine is to active the S-adenosyl methionine is denoted the methyl group. Transmethylation is all compound of CH3 group or cannot be as a methyl group denoted. Methyl group are attached to the N atom and this sulfur atom become active, can be become methyl group is denoted. Enzyme and coenzyme of the transmethylation. Enzyme they involved in the collectively known as methyl formation or methyl transmethylation. Coenzyme is tetrahydroxyfolic in the enzyme which is the active part of participate in the methyl group or transfer it. B12 vitamin 12 are the involved in the reaction make the folic acid free. Significance of transmethylation. Transmethylation is essential for the process many of the biological compound because the functional activity only the active methylation. Methylation is synthesized the biological importance of compound like choline, creatinine, epinephrine, non-epinephrine. Significance of transmethylation. Methylation of the reduction of protein of methylation controls the protein turn into word. In fact, is methylation protect the protein from the immediate degradation. In the plant of animal transmethylation help of the synthesis of certain hormone, epinephrine and non-epinephrine. Significance of the transmethylation. Decrease the transmethylation will be affected the synthesis of choline. This is turned into the phospholipid. This is leading to decrease the formation of phospholipid, lipoprotein, and the accomplished by the lipid in liver caused by fatty liver. Choline is synthesis in the also required for synthesis of choline, acetylcholine, and neurotransmission. Importance of transamethylation and reaction. S-adenosyl methionine is denoted by methyl group, and transmethylation is type of one of the carbon reaction. What is a transmethylation reaction? I give you two examples. Transmethylation is transfer into methyl group from the active methionine into the acceptor known as transmethylation reaction. S-adenosyl methylation is an active methyl group is denoted by also transmethylation reaction. Example is serine to choline conversion with present of glutamate acetate to creatinine. Okay, then also are present in epinephrine to epinephrine, present of different type of enzyme. Thank you so much for hearing.